What am I doing today? I'm installing Google Floodlight. So this is the product, and just get my wire in place, and it will go right there. You probably can't see the circle, but it goes right there next to the ladder, and yeah, it'll be mounted right there. I don't know how many times I fit right there, but that's what I did. Alright, so let me get the other part of this work done, get everything hooked up, and test everything out.
I don't really get a chance to get out that much. I'm saying, let me treat y'all to lunch. I know a nice spot right up the block off of Hudson. Hop in, let me take you for a spin. She said, I didn't know the new Benz came in mustard. It doesn't, it's custom, and it costs me. Before you get in, finish your coffee. There's more to see, more to do, and nothing to lose because
this is something new for us. It feels like something.
It's very windy. Alright, let's get this thing wired up so I can get off of here.
I know I'm fucked up, but come in, loosen up a bit. I don't bite, I promise I'm on some other shit. Baby, let me tell you this. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. You wouldn't be with me if y'all were nervous, now would you? Nah, trust me, love. You wouldn't steer you wrong, but what I need you to do just might be